Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Facebook events. Whether you're hosting a virtual meetup, a local gathering, or an online workshop, we're here to help. Step 1, open Facebook, log into your Facebook account, navigate to Events, click Events in the left menu, you may need to click See More first. Step 2, create a new event, click Create New Event. Step 3, more event details, fill in the event name, date, time, location, if applicable, and other relevant information. If it is a recurring event, click Recurring Event and set the recurrence type. Step 4, privacy settings, click Privacy and select Privacy. Remember that you can't change this setting after creating the event. Final, complete event creation, follow the prompts to complete the event setup. Hope you will have a neat and perfect event. Like and subscribe if you feel like it. Thanks for watching the video.